Ama la vida! Ama la quarantine vida! La vida quarantina! Today I'm going to be making some cauliflower steaks, so tag along! First, put on your favorite tunes and then get ready to cook. Okay, so you want to gather these ingredients, preheat the oven to 425, and then cut the cauliflower into 1-inch steaks and coat with some vegetable oil or oregano, throw it in the oven, do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight. Thinly slice the shallots and the celery, de-leaf the parsley and half the lemon. Take half the lemon juice and those ingredients in a bowl with some oil and salt. In a food processor, you're going to put garlic, red peppers, juice of half a lemon, 1/4 cup of pepitas, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of water, pinch of salt and pepper, and blend it on high. Give your dog some love, and don't forget to hydrate. And then take the rest of the pepitas and toast them in a non-stick skillet. After that, some olive oil in the skillet and the white beans to crisp. And we're almost ready. By then, the cauliflower steak should be pretty tender. And once it's tender enough, it's time to plate. Pretend like you're at a 5-star restaurant. Make it real pretty because you deserve it. And enjoy.